Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to applying your makeup. So if you're interested, keep watching and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So starting off, we're going to start with skincare. You want to make sure your face is clean to remove any dirt. Then I'm going to hydrate my face with my hyaluronic acid, and then I'm going to use my Roche Posay to moisturize my face. To wipe my face off, I'm going to be using the clean towels. Y'all, I love these so much. I'm telling you, these are made from some good material. I have pulled on these things with all my might, and I'm telling you, they will not rip. I have never personally ripped one, and I'm telling you, I didn't pull that thing and pull that thing. And not to mention, they are extremely soft and very good for the skin. Next, we're going to be doing our brows. So fill your brows in with a pencil or powder. If you have very perfect brows, all you have to do is take some concealer and clean the top and bottom up to make them look nice and fresh. Now, I see some people like to do their foundation and then do their brows, but that does not work for me. It's like I'm drawing on top of foundation. It's too slick. I don't like that. So I like to do my brows, my eyeshadow, and then my face. Now we're going to be doing our eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Morphe 9T palette that my sister gave me. I love it so much. Thank you, sissy. I've been having this for a long time. I've been having all my eyeshadow and all my makeup really for a long time, especially my eyeshadow. And to me, it does not have an expiration date on. It still works the same. So yeah, we're going to be doing our eyes, and I'm just going to do like a little neutral eye, and make sure you put some like a darker shade into your crease to give your eyes some more dimension. I don't know, but this is like my favorite look. I kind of do my eyeshadow the same way that I've been doing it for years, and I'm saying you, it ain't broke, baby, so I ain't trying to fix it. Now the wing liner, it's optional. I love it, so I'm going to keep doing it for the most part. Then we're going to move on to our mascara and lashes. To me, I find out when you put the lash glue on top of your wing liner, it makes your lashes go on so much easier. Then put you some eyeliner on, and just like that, baby, the eyes are done. Moving on to the foundation, don't forget to prime your face. I'm going to be using e.l.f. Power Grip. I love this line. They have so many different power grips. Then I'm going to take my foundation and put it on my brush, and then spray. Sometimes I spray setting spray, or I spray rose water onto my brush. It's really whatever I get my hands on first. And I'm just going to work this into the skin, and then I'm going to go with a beauty blender and just pat the foundation into the skin even more, because I love that airbrush finish that it gives. And make sure that you have it a little damp too. One thing that you'll notice that I always do is take my foundation brush and go over the products to make everything look more uniform. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm just going to put this on all the areas I want to highlight, which you'll see in the video. And the key to a full coverage concealer is to let it sit for a little bit. So get you a hand fan, get that little hand fan that y'all be doing the boots on the ground. Get that and just fan your face for a little bit. And then I'm going to press the concealer into my skin with my beauty blender. Y'all get y'all a beauty blender if you don't have one. I'm telling you. Now we're going to dip into our setting powder and tap it on the back of your hands, because that is going to smooth out that loose powder. Tap it into the areas that you have highlighted, and then you can either dust it right off or let it sit for a while. I just choose to dust mine right off with my foundation brush, as I was talking about. Moving on to contouring and bronzing. I love this little stick. It's from Too Faced because it's so smooth, it's buttery, and it smells like chocolate. Y'all, I be trying so hard not to eat it, but now I'm just playing. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm going to place it, as you can see, in these areas, and then just take me a brush, and you just want to take your time and blend. Don't get tired. Just go ahead and blend it so that it can look nice and neat, y'all. Y'all, I'm looking cute already. Am I not? For real, y'all. Oh my goodness, I look so cute. And nobody was not gonna tell me that I still had these doggone wristbands on. But anyway, we're gonna move on to the blush and then add some highlight as well. And let me tell y'all, I had put some blush on and it was so much. And you know what I did? I went in with that foundation brush, and guess what? It smoothed it on down, toned it on down, and then we add some highlight and just highlight whatever you want to, shine when you turn left, right, up, down. Now, if you want something to be locked in, use some setting spray so your makeup can be locked in. And then we're going to go on with our lips. And I'm going to use like this lip liner from Sephora. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to be using Blankety by MAC. And then I'm going to put my favorite NYX Butter Gloss Madeline from NYX. Oh my God. I'm telling you, if y'all ain't got that, y'all need to get that in your lipstick lip gloss stash. And just like that, y'all, the face is done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope you learned something. If you learned something, comment down below what you learned. Comment down below what you want me to do, and subscribe to my channel. I just want to thank all of y'all. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all are so nice. And until next time, peace.